In this video, you will learn how to reset your Base44 password. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to regain access to your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type google.com and press enter. This action will take you to the Google homepage, which features a search bar at the center of the screen. Next, in the search bar, type Base44 and press enter. This will display a list of search results related to Base44. You can recognize the search results by the blue links and brief descriptions beneath each link. After that, look for the link titled Base44, Build Apps with AI in Minutes, and click on it. This link should be among the top results, and clicking it will redirect you to the Base44 website. Once the Base44 website loads, locate the button labeled Start Building and click on it. This button typically appears prominently on the homepage, directing you to the login page. Now you will see the login screen. Click on the field labeled email and enter your email address associated with your Base44 account. Ensure that you input the correct email to receive the password reset link. After entering your email, click on the continue button. This action submits your email for the next steps in the password recovery process. Next, look for the link that says Forgot Password and click on it. This link is usually positioned below the login fields, leading you to the password reset page. On the password reset page, click on the button labeled Reset Your Password. This button will initiate the process to send you a reset link via email. You will see a message prompting you to enter the email address you used to sign up. Input your email address again, then click on the login email button to proceed. Once you have entered your email, click on the Verify Email button. This step ensures that you receive the reset instructions at the correct email address. You should now see a message indicating that a verification email has been sent. Check your inbox for an email from Base44 containing the reset link. Now, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to gmail.com. This will take you to the Gmail login page where you can access your email. Once logged into your Gmail account, look for an email with the subject Reset Your Password for BASE44 and click on it. This email contains the necessary instructions to reset your password. In the email, click on the link labeled Reset Password. This action will direct you to the password reset page on the Base44 website. On the reset password page, you will see a prompt to set new password. Enter a new password that meets the required criteria, ensuring it is secure and memorable. After typing your new password, you will be asked to confirm it by entering it again in the confirm password field. Make sure both entries match to avoid errors. Finally, click on the reset password button. This action will finalize your password reset process, and you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. You have now successfully reset your password for Base444. Thank you for following this tutorial, and see you in the next one.